Hey, it's Finn from Riverside Hi-Fi. So today I'll be unboxing our transparent speaker cable. This is the new Super. As we've always emphasised, cable is very important. So upgrade, as it does help improve the sound. This one will probably be a bit shorter than usual. We do the whole transparent range. Obviously we can do custom sizes for lengths. They do come in a range of lengths standard anyway. You can see these are good quality due to the fact of obviously they come in this nice box. Nice and tightly packaged for safety. Transparent also do power cables, and they also do other ranges of cables to upgrade. You can see again packaged nicely in the bag. We know a lot of people say that it doesn't make a difference, but it really does. If you haven't seen our other videos for equipment, or naturally you can probably see the records behind me, we do sell the records. Again, we do cover all areas for installation, shipping, etc. So if you aren't within Richmond, we can cover your area, so do get in touch. There you go, you can see the thickness of the cable. Just going to cut the foam off the block. As you can see there, so I'm not sure if you can probably see, I'll do a close-up, but that's the Super cable. And these have got the spades. They do the option for banana plugs as well. And yeah, you can put these with any speaker. Naturally, always best to get in touch with us for our recommendations. All the transparent range, as I mentioned, is available from us. So yeah, please feel free to get in touch for any further information, and if you'd like to book a demonstration or order any of the transparent cables, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.